Hello and welcome. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I'm putting this little kit together. It's another little kit that I had in my drawer of many kits, and I haven't had a chance to put it together yet, so I thought I'd share it with you. And it's a little laser cut wood basket. And again, this one has no information as far as the creator. I know I bought this one, Seattle show. I bought another one, and neither of them have the company that sold or the person that made it. Very little as far as instructions, but it's just so easy. Let's just, I thought I'd just do it with you. Give you, again, this is all about inspiration to get your kits out and start working through them. Just going to apply some glue on the flat side. These are kind of neat kits. They are, oh, here you go. They are laser cut, and the way that they go together, alternating, the little ridges in the pieces make it look like it's a woven basket. So ingenious. And I really like the end result. I'm going to put it together, and then one day maybe I'll fill it up with something. For now, we're just getting these kits done. And I'm going to lay it down. And it comes pre-finished as far as the stain. You see that? So they've got these little indents and design on them that make it look like they are. I'm just being very careful with the first one, because the first one needs to be lined up really nicely. And then the second one, as you can see, they're all cut the same, but what happens is that one way they will line up exactly like this, but if you do it in another way, then the little the weave alternates, which gives you the basket weave. So now we're going to put some along this edge, and this is basically all there is to it. So I'm going to go right along and put all the glue on all the pieces. I'm going to do one more with you here, and then I'll just glue them on fast forward. So here we go. That was the way. Yeah. Okay. And if there's any glue running out, it's not that bad, because you already have a finished stain, so you're not going to be too worried about the glue on the wood. Here they are. So I'm just going to carry on. Okay, so I put the top piece on, and you can see the top piece has indents for the little handle, which is really sweet. Has a lot of detail like that. Very sweet. And simply going to put some glue on the tips, and another one on the tip, other side, and drop it in to the little indents. I think I have too much glue, but because it's such a small piece, I want it to adhere. And here's a lovely basket. Looks like basket weave, and it's just done in layers. So here's a great idea. Now, I do not remember, as I said, who I got these from, but there were oval ones and round ones, and these are very sweet. Anyway, one day I'll put something in it, maybe some bread. And here is the lovely basket, all done. Yeah, isn't it sweet? Maybe I'll put some bread in it one day and display it that way. The little napkin coming off the side. Well, that's it for this little kit. I hope you enjoyed seeing how it was so easy to put together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Ciao for now.